NASA announced on Tuesday that it has partnered with SpaceX to build a spacecraft that will bring the International Space Station back to Earth after its retirement in 2030 and guide it to its final resting place in the Pacific Ocean. Elon Musk's company has signed a contract worth up to $843 million to develop and deliver the spacecraft, called the US Deorbit Vehicle. Ken Bowersox from NASA said, "The selection of a US Deorbit Vehicle for the International Space Station will help NASA and its international partners ensure a safe and responsible transition at the end of station operations in low Earth orbit. NASA plans to take ownership of the spacecraft once SpaceX builds it and control operations throughout the mission." The ISS, weighing 430,000 kilograms, is the largest single structure ever built in space. NASA engineers expect the orbital outpost to break up in 3 stages, based on past observations of other stations like Mir and Skylab re-entering the atmosphere. First, the massive solar panels and radiators that keep the orbital laboratory cool will break off, followed by individual modules detaching from the truss or backbone structure of the station. Finally, the truss and the modules themselves will disintegrate. While most of the material will vaporize, large pieces are expected to survive. That's why NASA is targeting an area known as Point Nemo, one of the most remote places on Earth in the Pacific Ocean, which serves as a graveyard for satellites and spacecraft. The first part of the ISS was launched in 1998, and it has been continuously inhabited by an international crew since 2001. The participating countries, the US, Japan, Canada, and the European Space Agency, have committed to operating the microgravity laboratory until 2030, but the 5th partner, Russia, has only committed until 2028. In April, NASA Administrator Bill Nelson told Congress that given the dire state of US-Russia relations, it would be prudent to start working on a US Deorbit Vehicle to safely bring the entire station down and make sure it doesn't hit anything or anyone. Several companies are working on commercial successors to the ISS, including Axiom Space and Jeff Bezos's Blue Origin. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.